day 4 on our road trip through Italy. We spent one night now in Bolsena, right next to this beautiful Lago di Bolsena, and now we will leave the region of Lazio and go over to the Tuscan region, better said into the Val D'Orcia, a very beautiful valley. And the city where we will go is called Radicofani, and there we will go for the first time on this trip into an agriturismo. So these are former farms which were transferred into a guest house, and there are a lot of this agriturismo, especially in this region. And then later on we plan to go to the Bagni San Filippo, so a thermal spring, and later also to Radicofani, so the old city, for visiting it. But let's see what this day is, what is happening today. So we are now in the supermarket doing some shopping because we have our own kitchen, I read, in this farmhouse. And so tonight we will cook something. Okay, va bene. We have to help him with pushing the car. Stalls! Ciao ciao! So, we already did a good job for today. So we just checked in. That's how an agriturismo is looking like. So it's really, it's great, and as you can see, I'm already ready for the pool. Look at that. And that's our view. To the Val D'Orcia. Guest houses. And all of that for 35 euros per person and night. Not bad. We are now in the Val D'Orcia. The valley has its name from the river Orcia, and it's located in the province of Siena, in the southern part of the Tuscan region. We came here from Bolsena, which is in the northern region of Lazio, and the first village you see when you arrive from this direction is Radicofani. That's where we are having our guest house near to. And the Val D'Orcia is famous for its unique and most of all aesthetic landscape. So with its soft hills, the cypresses, the fields, the agricultural culture. And in Siena there was the government which had the idealistic model to have a good government. And this good government was representing the province, and so it should also reflect the Val D'Orcia, the philosophy, and so the government started to civilize this region here. Before there was just natural vegetation, and so the people started to take care of this natural landscape, and they were really forming it That's why today it's so incomparable, and it also got the UNESCO World Heritage status 2004. And one of the first villages we will go and have a visit is Bagni San Filippo, where all the thermal springs are, and especially it's famous for the Fosso Bianco. That's a thermal spring that is located in the forest. It's yeah, you don't have to pay for going in it, and yeah, let's go and have a relaxing bath. So here you can park your car just beside this line on the street, and there are there are various paths to go down, but we hear already voices. I don't know if this is the right way to enter it. So we found a thermal bath, but not the one we were looking for. The one we were looking for is there. So we found this one on our path, but actually we are still looking for this one. So if you have survived the path of death, you will arrive at this beauty. You can put your towels here somewhere or inside the forest. It's forbidden to swim and to climb up this rock, but as you can see, everyone is doing it. The entry is for free. We will not swim inside this thing, and we will not climb. We are enjoying the last sun rays for drying our bath clothes. It's simply said a natural phenomenon you have to see when you are here. The water is very, it's hot, but it's so relaxing. The temperature is perfect. Not when you have a sunburn like my brother. That's another story. Actually, the source of this hot water is on the top of this Fosso Bianco, the rock. So you have to climb up, but it's forbidden. Or there would also be the Bagni San Filippo Terme, a public bath. So there is also a swimming pool, there are changing rooms. I'm not sure how much the entry is. I will write it down in my blog, but if you do it like us, when you come here through the path in the forest, then it's for free. It's a public place, and you can use all the thermal springs here. We have also seen when we were walking to the Fosso Bianco. That's just the most famous inside this forest. It's worth it a visit. I'm sweating so much. When you want to go and visit the fortress of Radicofani, here it is, then you have to park the car down in the village and then approximately 15 minutes walk straight the hill up. Yeah, but at least when you arrive on the top of it, then you have this beautiful 360-degree view.